So we're gonna smoke a spatchcock turkey on the Weber. And I'm gonna show you how we set up the 22-inch Weber kettle for turkey. So we're gonna go indirect. Right there we have some B&B briquette. We have about a third of the chimney of briquettes right here. And we're just dump these out on top. Get your fire holder and set these up right here. And now you got your wood chunks for smoke. Set your grate on. Make sure this part can open up. And that's how you set up to smoke your turkey on the kettle. Follow for more. So now we're ready to smoke. And we're gonna just have this lay flat. That's why we spatchcock it. We're gonna get a little dry rub on the skin. So my turkey is done. Internal temp is saying 160 degrees in the breast. That is perfect. Look at all my charcoal that's left. I didn't move the turkey one bit, no burning, good controlled heat, like really juicy thighs. We love juicy thighs. All right, wings are good, not dried out. Let me pull this out, see what's up. Yeah, baby. So we got juicy thighs, juicy boobies. All right. That's how you smoke a Thanksgiving turkey on the Weber kettle. Yeah, baby. Total cook time on this turkey was about 1 hour and 45 minutes. I think this is like a 15-pound turkey. Super delicious. Doesn't get better than turkey on the Weber kettle.